Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Good morning everyone. Today we would like to present our project-based learning with title Digital Library System. Before we begin, let me introduce our team. First, my name is Daniel Anjuadinov Batubara and I am the team leader of this project. Second, Delares Kadamayanti as a team member. And the third, Franklin Sebastian Felix, also a team member. The next slide will be explained by Dela.
Right, on this slide, I will explain the background of the digital library system development. Based on our analysis, the current library system is still overly complex, making it difficult for users to access and manage information effectively. The system is also not yet scalable, so it cannot adequately accommodate the growth of data and user in the future. To address this issue, we propose developing a system that focuses on core workflow, making the process simpler, more efficient, and easier to understand. In addition, the system is developed using the Laravel framework instead of PHP native and Tailwind CSS instead of conventional CSS to create a more modern and well-structured system. Next. I will explain present the main feature of the digital library system. The system includes member manage to handle member data and book management to manage book collection. It also provides member registration and verification to ensure valid user data. In addition, the system supports reservation with approval for controlled booking. There are also book borrowing and book returning features to manage the borrowing process in a structured way.
Based our analysis background and core system or main feature, we create entity relationship diagram. This entity relationship diagram to provide or represent our relation between the entity system. For the entity relationship diagram, we have 5 primary entities, 8 supporting entities for the future or the main feature, 13 relationship to provide a relationship between the system entities. From this ERD, we create a wireframe to represent our user interface. This wireframe represent a key of functional or the core of the main feature. For the wireframe, we divide to 3 perspectives. There are visitor. This is a page of the visitor. The second is member. This is page of the member. The third is admin. This is a page wireframe for the admin.
Okay, this slide shows the project progress of our system development, which is divided into 4 main stages. In stage 1, analysis. We identify and define the system requirements based on user needs. This step is important to ensure that the system addresses the right problems and provides effective solution. Next, in stage 2, design. We focus on creating the system structure and user interface using wireframe. This wireframe help us visualize that layout and user flow before moving into the development phase. Currently, we are in stage 3, implementation. In this phase, we are developing the system feature based on the wireframe and design that have been created. We focus on building the core functionalities so the system can run properly. Moving forward, we plan to further improve and expand this project, especially by enhancing the back-end system, achieve better performance, scalability, and data management. Finally, in step 4, testing, we will ensure that the system works as expected. We will conduct functional testing uh, on all developed features to verify that its functions runs correctly according to the requirements. This process helps us identify and fix any errors so the system becomes more reliable and ready for use. So that's all from us. For your attention and time, I said thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Santi 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 Om. Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan.